quick recommendation to anyone with a Ford F150 Ecoboost. Definitely use the Motorcraft oil filters. Something that I like to do is get one of these Amazon magnets, just for extra, I guess, help for the filter to retain any kind of metal shavings that there could be. And I usually put it there, but since the filter is horizontal, I will tape it on and then put like a zip tie around to secure it, because over time this thing with bumps and could slip and, you know, either fall off or end up like this. Super useful, strong magnet. I think it's like 10 bucks. Another thing, Ford uses these plastic drain plugs and I think they're not reusable. Invest in one of these RoninFactory.com plugs. Pretty much if I unscrew this right now, it won't drip oil. The oil won't come out until I put in the special drain key, and then you screw it on and then you drain your oil and then put in the plug again, and it's metal. It's gonna last a lot longer. Let's not talk about the plastic oil pan. Can't say that I'm happy about that.